I feel like a professional. iPad Pro. All right, so this is a video I've wanted to make for quite some time now. I'm going to be unboxing the iPad Pro that Apple has recently released. This is the 128 gigabyte Wi-Fi 11-inch model. And Apple's really marketing this as a computer itself. And I've also went out and bought the Apple Pencil as well as the Slim Folio, which you can use as, I guess, prop it up to use your iPad as a laptop. So I'll be doing an unboxing of all of that and try to use this iPad as my main computer for a week. So I've never used an iPad before, so I'm really interested to see how this will pan out. Oh, come on, Apple. So iPads never really interested me because I always thought they were just a bigger iPhone. Oops. So here's the actual device itself. It's nice. Let's first see, actually, who cares about paperwork? No one ever cares about paperwork. So let me go ahead and peel. Ooh. Ooh. It's really light, like really, really light. And I think these 3 dots on the bottom are the smart connector. But wow, it's actually, I can hold this with one hand, no problem. Oh wow, it's already like a fingerprint magnet, as you can see. That's not good. I mean, you probably won't see when the display is on. But let's go ahead and power this thing on. Don't tell me this should be, okay. It's alive. So let's get into the documentation. Designed by Apple in California, as usual. Come on, give me all this. Do I have my stickers? That's all I really want. All right, it's booted up. So this is actually really interesting. So this is the first Apple product that I've seen that you guys probably can't see this, but it says made in India. Very interesting. It's a USB-C port, power bank or adapter, I should say, and it looks like it comes with USB-C adapters as well, so that's nice. Hopefully Apple brings this to the iPhone. So let's just get into the setup real quick. All right, let me do Face ID real quick, guys. Wow, I can feel some bass in this thing. Move closer. I'll do anything for you, iPad. I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox the Apple Pencil real quick. As usual, Apple is designing in California. I wonder if they give you any stickers in this one. I don't think the documentation is that important. You got the nice slick plastic as usual, and wow, this actually feels really nice as well. Oh yeah, there is one more thing I wanted to test with you guys. I also bought a mouse. Let me put on the Slim Folio. Unfortunately, it's not the new one that Apple uses, but I think with the whole camera system, it should be okay. I think it would be easier if I do it like this. Okay, yeah, you need some elbow grease in this. Oh, I'm taking photos of myself. Oops. Wow, this is actually kind of hard to put on. All right, it's on. Wow, this thing is really slick. All right, so I think I just set it up like so. Boom, look at that. That is really cool. I like how fast it is. I don't know why my Apple Pencil isn't working. I thought my Apple Pencil would work. I know you're supposed to like stick it up on the side. Oh, would you look at that, Apple Pencil. It's giving me some instructions. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Okay, that came up. Oh, wow. Interesting. Let me see if I can write upside down. No, I'm not gonna do that. Wow, and I think you double tap on the pencil itself to erase. Ooh, there it came up. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. With some Z's. Okay, let me go back to, let me put this back on top. Honestly, this might be my laptop. I have the Slim Folio connected as well as the BM30X mouse, which is what I'm using now. And as you can see, I can click through here easily. All right, so now using the mouse, I wanna go into Safari and just do like a 1-minute typing test, just so I can see if I can actually type on this thing. I'm so used, I don't know, like, should I touch the screen, use the pencil, use the mouse? I don't know. So, all right, I apologize if I type really slow to you guys because this is a keyboard that's really confined, but go ahead and just do it for you. I'm already messing up. Ooh, it's a little laggy. Ooh, I'm on a roll. I'm on a roll. I always mess up because I think that the word "the" should be there and it's never there. I wonder, this is gonna be at least rudimentary. This is probably gonna be like 60 words per minute, which isn't that bad for this device. 86, wow, that's really fast. I mean, for a keyboard like this, I'm impressed. I like how on the iPad it has 144 Hertz for the display. I think Apple should do that on their iPhones. I know a lot of people probably don't think that's a big deal, but it's something that you need to experience in person because I can't show you guys on camera. It's something you need to experience in person to understand how faster, not necessarily fast, but how much more smoother your device will actually feel. I'll use this for a week, see if I can use this as my main computer. I'll install like Microsoft Word, but I'll probably choose like Google Sheets, Google Docs for all my, I guess, work. And so far, I think it's doable. But make sure to stay tuned. I will be having the MacBook Air. I think it just shipped today for me, so I'll do an unboxing and impressions on that and then a review later on. But that's gonna do it for me, guys. Make sure to stay subscribed for more content. Fortunately, it's gonna be more Apple stuff in terms of tech, but hope you guys stay safe. Much love, peace. Before I quit, I just wanna see. It does lock when I close it, wow. Ooh, I'm so sorry. Let me see how this looks when I hold it up. Okay, I might be able to go to master's. I might get my master's degree holding this all day. This is really lightweight. Okay, I know the video's over, but wow, this is, I feel like a professional. iPad Pro. In the camera, as you can see, I'm gonna be doing some crazy stuff with this thing. Crazy stuff. Logi. I got you, Logitech. Okay. Peace.